Welcome to AutoBay Car and Commercial Limited, located in the heart of Poulton-Le-Fylde. My name is John Pegler, I'm the owner and founder. AutoBay is an all makes and models car and commercial auto centre, and we are also a Ford and Mazda specialist. AutoBay was created to offer a genuine alternative to the franchise main dealer. With over 33 years experience, I can understand firsthand, and I've seen firsthand, the issues that a customer has when staying loyal to the brand they choose when purchasing their vehicle. Customers experience many different pain points, but the most important ones that I have seen is cost, trust, lead times when booking your vehicle in, communication prior to, during and after the event, surprise and extra costs that you were not expecting with no warning or no notice during your prior year's booking, confusing talk that does not allow the customer to make an informed decision, and most importantly, no support packages to soften the blow if any unexpected repairs are required. Whilst creating AutoBay, all of the above pain points were used to ensure that we solve the everyday issues that an AutoBay customer no longer has to face, regardless of you being a retail customer, a lease customer, or if you use AutoBay to manage your fleet or company vehicles. AutoBay's core foundation is built on the following: a simple but effective customer journey for all, competitive pricing and hourly labour cost, a simple service structure that suits all manufacturer servicing and schedules. We also offer main dealer servicing using genuine parts and schedules that will not void any vehicle's warranty, communication that allows our customers to make an informed decision, and also a vehicle maintenance check that supports our customers' finances for the length of time that they expect to own their vehicle, a support package for each part of the repair scope that we offer, a website that allows you to pick and choose the service that you require and book online or communicate via our live chat. At AutoBay, we build a long-standing relationship with all of our customers, with trust and transparency at the heart of what we do. We set our business apart from a large percentage of all of our competitors and encourage the changes that are much needed within our industry. So, if you'd like to give AutoBay Car and Commercial a try, whether you're a retail customer, a lease customer, or a company owner that'd like to look into us looking after your fleet of vehicles, please visit www.autobayservice.co.uk and either make a booking, speak to us via our live chat, or feel free to drop us an email and we can look after any of your needs.